Good morning, guys. Good morning. How are you? Just make sure we're live. We are live. Give me a thumbs up, guys. And let's get it. Happy Monday, man. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Ah, all right. Let's see what we got. We got gold heading north. US30. Let me clean this up a little. Put some alerts. Let me check the 1 hour. Okay. Okay, we have news today at 10 o'clock, guys, just so you know. Check NAS. NAS, we got a huge gap, guys. Really, what I'm looking for on NAS, I'm looking for a buy. I'm going to buy at the break. Okay, so if that don't happen while we're on stream, guys, you can mark that if you want to take that buy with me. I'll probably announce it in Facebook if I'm not out shopping or doing something. So that's at 21130.4. It'll probably break during New York Open if it's in 30 minutes, but we'll see. So that's the plan on NAS. Let me check gold real quick. Gold is headed north. Gold will be the same thing. Breakout here. Wait a minute. We're at all-time high on gold. I'm going to stay away from gold, I think. We're on all-time highs here. Yeah, I'm not gonna mess with gold today. We got huge gaps on US30 and NAS that need to be filled. That's the plan, guys. Looking for a breakout on NAS to the upside to fill this gap. Let me mark the gap. Let me get rid of this one. See this huge gap here. All right, it's actually from here, all right, to here now. How many pips is that? Let's see. That's 247 pips. Figure 240 pips. Let me get rid of all this stuff. Let's clean it up a little, guys. This is the plan. We want to take it from here to here. I'll make this one red. That's the bottom of the trade. All right, guys, that's what we're looking for. Tempted to just buy it now. Just hold it. And I think that's the move today, guys. We're going to look to fill this gap here. This big, beautiful gap. Oh, my goodness. That's almost 250 pips. "24 minutes to New York Open, guys. I hope you guys had a great weekend. You know, I had a great weekend. Hey, hey, hey. And here we are back at work, man. I don't know about you guys, but when I used to work, I used to hate Mondays, man. Now I find myself sometimes like on Saturday or Sunday, kind of like anticipating Monday, like can't wait for Monday so I can start trading again. Crazy, right? It's the opposite of how it used to be. The market's very volatile under Trump, man. He's got to get settled in. The market has to get used to him again, like tweeting and just calm down and just go with the flow. You can't overreact every time this guy makes a statement. This guy's constantly negotiating. He's negotiating in the press. He knows everybody's watching him. He's a master at negotiating, man. He'll tell you he wants 50% tariff. Oh, meanwhile, he really wants 10%, or 5%. But he puts it out there, man. 50% tariff. Blah, blah, blah. We got to straighten this out. Blah, blah, blah. And he really wants 5%. He's an expert at what he does. That's his skill, man. Is negotiating. When you're negotiating, you don't come right to the table and tell people exactly what you want. You know, you let them think you want more, and then you settle for what you really want. You know, that's how you do it. We got to calm down. Let the market calm down. It will. We'll fill this gap. That's a huge gap, man. I don't know if it's going to fill today, guys. You know what I mean? It doesn't have to fill today. It's going to fill. It could be, you know, Wednesday, Friday. I don't know. It's like a mini swing trade. That's the gap on US30. Pretty much the same. I mean, let me see how many pips. About. It's even bigger. 368. It's an extra 110 pips, 115 pips. Maybe US30 is the way to go too. He would buy it here on the break of this candle. It's going to be interesting today, the New York Open. See what the sentiment is. You can see here we're just ranging in this zone. You guys think it's going to go up or down, man, when the bell rings? All right, US30 looks like it's ready to reverse. Let me go to NAS, my all-time favorite. NAS is pushing up, guys. Don't forget when you got news at 10 a.m., guys. It's red folder. I forget what it was. Let me go see. ISM Manufacturing. I don't know what that's going to be. I have no idea. I know it has nothing to do with Trump. He's only been in 2 weeks. So, I mean, I don't think he's affected manufacturing that much. So, whatever this is, it's going to be on Biden. Let's see what happens here, man. I'm going to buy at this break right here. I might even buy before that, man. I'm so tempted to just buy right now. Because I know this gap has to get filled, and I could just take a small buy and just hold it. I'm actually going to take a small buy here, guys. All right, I'm in. Let's see what happens. I might hold this all the way till the gap gets filled. I'm going to put it right below the gap fill. I don't know if this is going to get filled today, guys. You know, this might not get filled for a week. Who knows? But I'm going to hold it till it gets filled. So I'm on the record, guys. I'm in right here. I'm in holding for the gap fill. I may be in June. You'll see me announce in June. Hey, guys, fill that gap. 240 pips. Hey, whatever, man. All right, let's see if we can find a scalp, though. I'm really, I just, that gap is in my mind. I think it's going to go up today, man. You know? Let me check US30. Actually, the same for US30, man. All right, we're in profit on that. There were things I could have said and done. Maybe if we go up, how many pips is this? Let me see. That's 30 pips. Yeah, maybe over here I'll take a little profit and put stops to break even. You know, we'll probably get stopped out before it fills the whole gap, but we'll see what happens. You never know what it's going to do, right? So, a bird in the hand beats a bird in the bush, right? What they say. All right, 13 minutes to the open. Let me see what gold is doing, man. Gold, look at gold, man. It's up at the all-time high, though, guys. I guess a sell on gold. I mean, how can you buy? You don't know how high it's going to go, you know? Could go to 5,000. Who knows? Or it could just start dropping right here. It looks like it's losing steam going up. You know, we got like a double top already. Triple top incoming. Yeah, it looks like a sell, but I'm just not, it's not a good idea to try to call the top, you know? All right, now as we're hanging around our entry. And profit again. $11 to the New York Open. How big that is, man. That's a beautiful trade. Imagine that just shoots up there. Be calling boat dealers later. Like Ralph Cramden when he found the money on the bus. Listen, if you don't have a boat with 3 propellers, I'll take my money elsewhere. I get it. You guys don't know what I'm talking about, right? Crazy. Guys, give me a like on the video, please. It helps me a little bit. Every little bit helps, man. We got to get people in here watching. You know, people are out there struggling, and we're here making money every day. Crazy. You know, this is like kind of like a swing trade. I may take another scalp just to spice things up a little. But we'll see. You know, we may end up if you're in this trade, man, we may end up holding this for a couple of days, man. I hope you are okay with that. Or you could just get out right here. If it hits here, it could go down first and then come all the way back up. It's going to fill that gap. I just don't know when. You know, so just fasten your seatbelt. All right, guys. US30, really. If you want to be safe, you could do buys right above this red box. If it closes right above this red box, it's a good buy. And then you got this gap to fill. You know, we'll see what happens here. Seven minutes, guys. So New York opens. I don't know why that banner is so low on the screen, man. Anybody can tell me that? I got to get that raised up. Can't even, it's like cut off on my screen. That's the problem with being an older guy, man. Dealing with this, like a caveman, you know, this technology and stuff. I hate to say it, but I struggle with this streaming, man. Hey guys, New York open in a few minutes. Ooh, NAS dropped on us. Where's it coming? Is it coming for this equity before it goes up? Could be. Three minutes, guys. Pretty cool, man. What do you think's gonna happen? That's what it's all about, man. This is what it's all about. New York open Monday morning. We're in the game, guys. We're in the game, man. We got some equity here that we could take right here. And we got down here. I kind of just took equity there a little bit, but I don't know. I wouldn't really consider that a major equity. Hey, here we come, man. 1 minute to go, guys. Less than a minute. We are roaring north already. Boom. Here we go. Let's fill this gap, baby. Come on. And we're probably going to get some whiplash here when it opens. See what US30 is doing quick. Oh, US30 is headed north, man. Okay, we're open, guys. Shooting down. You can see the equity points here, below here and below here. You may see it grab equity and then just reverse, you know? Or it may come down for this one. Looks like it wants to come for this one. Oh, maybe not. Let's see. The green army is attacking, man. We're advancing. The red army is trying to hold on. Come on, baby. Let's go. Man, US30 broke. Guys, if it pulls back, I might take it. Oh, man. If it pulls back, I'm going to take it, guys. There goes US30, though. Take it to right around there, guys. If you're going to take it, just take it to right around there and get out. We're in profit on NAS. Doing sweet. Coming back for the retest on NAS. Is that what it is? I think so, guys. Let's see. Man, my internet's a little slow today. Come on now. Is that trading view or is that my internet? I don't know. All right, anyway. There's the retest. And now let's head north, man. Oh, maybe not. Still delaying. All right, come on, Naz. Let's go, baby. Nice, man. Up 40 pips already, guys. Beautiful. Hope you guys are making a little cash with us today, guys. That's how we do it. At the break of this red box here, I'll move my stops to break even. Look at that rejection, man. Get out of there, man. Smack. Reject it right out of there, man. Boom. You ain't coming back down here, man. Get out of here, man. Let's flip that candle. There you go. That was a nice flip right before the candle closed. Look at that rejection, man. Come on now. Ah, it's fighting tooth and nail, man. Just head north, man. We know you're heading north, so let's go. We ain't fooling nobody, man. Just struggling to get past this little area here, huh? It's going to go, though, I think. Oh, wow. It just broke through. All right, guys. I'm going stops into profit. My stop loss is now a little bit below that fair value gap. 21074.7. 21074.7. I'm going to take a little profit. I'm going to take 50% off the table. And now we're just going to hold and watch it fill this gap, hopefully. All right, guys, this is risk-free now. That's 14 wins in a row. I know that doesn't really matter, but we could lose any day. Anytime, any day. But today we won. Let me get a W in the chat. If anyone's there, appreciate it. Like the video. We kick butt again. Another win in the books, man. What can I say? Beautiful thing, man. Beautiful thing. Guys, take a little profit. Take something. You never know what's going to happen. But we rocked it. Yeah, so anyway, guys, if this stops me out, I'm just going to be looking. I'll probably just enter again, man. It still has to fill this gap. I'll just look for another buy. Back for a little retest. Hopefully it just rejects here and heads north. Man, it's too slow today. I don't know why. Come on, man. I want to check US30. I never entered this trade, guys. I just drew this here to see what would happen. But this is a good trade, I think. But I'm in NAS already, so I'm just going to hold NAS. If it comes down to this line, I might buy it. Actually, a little lower. Has to come down there. All right, NAS. Let's get back to business here. What's gold doing? Let me see. Man, gold's still going up. Let's look at triple top. I don't know if it's the same one. I doubt it, right? That must have been over here or something. It's still going up. Crazy. We got out above that red line. Probably up right around here. We probably got about 60 pips at least on that. Not bad. Take a screenshot for I'll take a screenshot for Facebook. Guys, if you're not in the Facebook group, get in, man. I call signals in there and stuff. It's all free, man. If you need a broker, man, Hanko Trade is good. I've been taking a couple of withdrawals already. No problems. Even while I got trades open in drawdown, they let me withdraw. The other brokers never really let you do that, man. I remember the one I tried, it wouldn't let me. I don't know about all of them, but it's that one that's red in the background. What the heck's the name of that thing? Oh, Liquid FX, I think it was. They wouldn't let me withdraw while I had any open trades. I had a small account. I can't blame them, man. You know, I still got a small account here, but they let me do it. But my account's bigger than it was at LQDFX. What do you think this is going to do, guys? 10 o'clock, we got news. I'm going to hang around till the news. We got our stop losses, a couple of pips in profit. We already made some money. It's a good way to start the week. We made some money right off the bat. It looks like it's going to come back down. Hopefully it'll reject off this fair value gap here. Right around here. Our stop loss is right on the other side of that fair value gap. Uh-oh. All right, we got stopped out, guys. Now, the thing is, do we get back in? I'm a buyer right here. Right at the top of this fair value gap. I'm going to re-enter right here, guys. Hey, guys, I'm going to re-enter. Okay, guys, I'm in, man. I'm getting in. I'm in right here. I don't feel like sitting this one out today. Let's see what we got here. I'll put this up a little. Right below that line. So TP. That's just the gap, guys. If you want to see on your chart, go to the 1 hour and look at the gap. And I don't know what's going to happen here, guys. If it comes down, I'll be looking to take another entry around here. I don't think I'll take another entry here. It's a little too close. I'll take another one right here, 20971. Let's see what happens. We already got a W for today, so let's get our second W. We'll take profit again at the same red line and go to break even again. All right, guys, that's the plan. How many pips is that this time? Let's see. It's around 63 pips. We're going to call it 60 pips. So 60 pip take profit and move stops into profit. I don't know how this news is going to go, guys, so we'll see. We're hanging around the entry right now. They just touched that fair value gap. Nine minutes to the news. Right, we're hanging around the entry, bouncing off that fair value gap. Okay, it dropped on us, huh? Sorry, guys, I left for a minute. So we have equity right here. It could just be grabbing that, or it could come down further, guys. I don't know. Hopefully it's just grabbing that. See it grab this one here. Back to break even almost. 5 minutes to the news, guys. What's gonna happen, man? Place your bets. Oh, let me see what US30 is doing. All right, here comes NAS. Get ready to take profit and move your stops to break even again, guys. Oh, it changed its mind. Okay, 2 minutes to the open. I mean, not the open, guys. News. Sorry. Now, we're in profit, but I want to see it shoot up. Very choppy today, man. All right, I'm up 15, about 15 pips. 1 minute, guys. If it goes against us, I'm just going to hold and re-enter. Enter again some down lower and ride it back up. That's my plan. But 1 more minute. We're going to find out which way it's going. Ooh, look at that gap down. Ooh. Okay, it's the news. They're deciding whether the news is good or bad right now. Some people are saying, oh, it's not that bad. Let's bring it up. Nah, it's terrible. Let's bring it down. All right, right around break even again. Come on, flip that candle. All right, break even. Thinking about taking another buy right here. All right, guys. I'm going to take it. All right, I'm in it. It's just a short one, guys. All right, let me get to the top here. Hold on now. Hold on now. It's just today. A bit over a little. Okay, let's see how many pips that is. Oh, that's 59 pips, man. I ain't that short. All right, let's see what we got. I don't know if it's going to keep coming down. It could. All right, guys. Let's see what we got here. That's 31 pips. All right, I want to close it right around here. And right here, when this one goes into profit, that's where I'm looking to get out. About 47 pips from where I got in. And then I can still hold the other one. And this way, if it comes back down, I could just buy it again. All right, guys, let's see what happens here. It's like hanging around there a little too long for my liking. Come on, Naz, let's go. All right, I'm up 20 pips already or more. All right, guys, I'm going to close when this other trade is break even. So just a little higher than it just went. And that's another nice win. And then we're back to break even on the other trade. All right, I'm out. All right, so that was a W, guys. Give me a W in the chat. Another win, and we're back to break even. I'll just put one W at a time so you know it's two separate trades. Two wins already, guys. We closed that one full. The reason why I closed full there, guys, is because it's a nice amount of pips. We'll see about how many it was. Figure right there, 48 pips. Now we're out. We got that in the bank, right? We got that 48 in the bank. Now we could decide to take this again. Grab another 48. By the time we're done with this twice, we don't even need, we could just close this trade at break even. We're up at almost 100 pips, you know? That's why I trade like this, guys. Now, am I going to take this again? That's the decision. Let's see what it does here. It may want to come down lower. Now, we got 48 in the bank already. Let's see what we get here. It's got a double bottom here now. See that? Let me pull this out of here. We already closed that. It's already closed. I think it wants to come down here, man. We never bought US30, guys. So I just threw that there. I was just thinking about it. My NAS is coming down here, man. I'm going to have to get off this stream. I've been on here an hour and 15 minutes, an hour and 20 minutes already. But I'm going to buy here. I'm going to take another buy here, guys. Let's see. I'll hang around a little bit. Let's see what happens. what I'm looking at there, folks. Now we're up 100 pips for the day. And I'll be buying right here. When that alarm rings, I'm buying. 20970.5, I'm in. Guys, in the Facebook group, I'm going to be buying USD JPY too if it comes below here. Alrighty, put an alert. You can mark that now in your chart if you want. That's on the 1 hour. 153785. That's a buy for USD JPY. Like the volume's dead already. Come on down. If you're coming down so I can get a buy-in. I think that was a little fake push-up. You see that? I need it to come down just a little more, man. It's got to grab that equity. All right, here it comes. Oh, come on. Come on, a little more. Just so you know, guys, if I have a thing here, it doesn't mean I'm in the trade. When I take the trade, I'll slide it over. So I never took that trade, and look, it bounced right out of there, man. It never came down to our entry. I needed it to take this liquidity here, and it just flew out of there. What the heck is going on here, guys? We're almost at break even already on the other trade. We are. We're in profit again. Crazy, right? Damn, we just missed that. I missed it by a few pips. Oh, that's all right. We can't take it if it's not what I want. I can't take it. All right, guys. So we're gonna get out with partials right here at this red line again. If it comes up, this is if scenario here, and then we'll move our stops to break even. In profit. I mean, not break even. All right, here we come. Rip roaring back. All right, how many pips is this, guys? Another 60 pips. Unbelievable. You could close anytime, guys. It's time to go fishing. We're over 100 pips for the day. I'm up 50 pips. There we go, guys. I'm clear. I'm taking partials right now. I'm moving my stop loss to. I'm going to put it in profit right below this fair value gap. 21077.5. 21077.5. I put a line there. I'm going to put that purple so you see it. That's the stop loss now. All right, guys. And we are off to the races here, man. We might fill that gap now. Anyway, guys, give me a W in the chat. What a way to start the week, guys. I'm going to put extra W's this time because that was a killer trade. That's 3 wins today, guys. I don't know how this one's going to end up, but beautiful day. 3 wins. I think we had 13. Now we got 16 wins in a row, man. Crazy. Yo, if your guru won't trade live, man, he's not your guru. Get rid of him. You don't have to follow me, but follow someone that's willing to get on here and trade live. All right, guys, that's it. I'll see you in the Facebook group. I'll see you tomorrow live. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Have a great day on purpose. God bless you guys. I'll see you tomorrow, man. Cheers, guys. Give me a like on the way out. Thanks, guys.